All right, so we are at it again. More fish pot pulling. Morning, welcome aboard. Yeah, man, join us and help us work. We're going for it. And this morning we sure say we go get it, we just feel the vibes. So just go and feel the vibes. You do to a like and subscribe and share. You see what I said? Just leave a comment and hit the notification bell. Then you press all. That way there. Every mission like this and we the band you did it with we because we know all left we don't have to come. So come with us. Let's fish in. A few days ago the current was strong, so we couldn't get fish them buoy. All of them just pull down, but this morning I think we have a change of moon. I think we are in the first quarter now, so change of moon, change the mood of the ocean too. There's a stronger current if it was light, weaker current if it was strong, moderate breeze if it was flat, strong breeze probably. Sometimes, that depends on what happened within the atmosphere. So we have a lower level jet stream on the south coast. So the south coast is more windier than we are on the north coast. We are now experiencing for now a little bit of dry, even though it looks a little bit easy, but those clouds are high, so you won't get any water from them. No rain, they'll dissipate as soon as the morning progresses. Over next week though, we should have some at least one tropical wave coming over us and another one following behind. A tropical wave is not an ocean wave. It's not an ocean wave, it's just a wave that is on the sea. But rather it is an atmospheric wave, which is a disturbance in the atmosphere. Alright, they leave off the West Africa coast, coming down, moving in a westerly direction. These waves are the ones that develop into tropical depression, tropical storm, or even hurricane. However, this time of the year, it's highly unlikely that it will happen because the waves that are coming off the West Africa coast now is further south. And the water further south is not conducive at this time for development. However, where we are though, the water is at a level where it will facilitate development. When the waves started moving off the West Africa coast and start moving a little bit more to the north, that is towards the Cape Verde island coming down, at that time it will be much easier because the water there in that region is a little bit warmer and it's going north, so it's closer to the pole and it's more easier for things to spin up at the pole, because if you don't have a spin, you don't have a storm. Yeah, man. So at this time they tend to move further west, and the water temperature down here at this time is conducive for development. However, what we have going against that though is the upper level, what's happening in the upper level atmosphere, wind shear. So while the waves are moving westerly, the wind shear in the upper atmosphere is moving in an easterly direction, and that is like a plant growing and you keep trimming it. So the upper level wind shear will always trim off the top of the cloud in the tropical waves, so you don't get that cloud reaching to a certain height and you don't get that vertex starts to spin, because nothing cannot organize, everything is disorganized. Alright, so the trap is at the side of the boat. I want to look excited. Yeah. Parrot fish. PD. Yeah, man. Rough scale parrot. Some bread in it. Big one. Bread for bait. So you get parrot fish now, you know, take out the blouse and pants. Doctor fish them for the road. Overboard. Keep away fuller. Keep away fuller. Huh? Yeah. No more bait no fee night again now. Just them one in there. Yeah. You set them out about them deep. The last one this. Alright, make we see the last pitney go treat mama. Missy Bubbles. I don't know, nobody don't let it dive. I see bubbles. That means there's some fish in the pot here. Oh. Yellowtail snapper, one small amberjack. Fool him a fool, Crampy. Fool him a fool. And a blackjack.
Amberjack.
Yellowtail jack. It's a mixed trap or a mixed catch. The yellowtail snappers. Yeah man, go and big up yourself and like the thing, you know, subscribe to the thing. Hit the notification bell. That's how we work the thing a man in time, right? Let's get the thing going, so into the right. Me see bubbles. Me see bubbles. When there is bubbles, there is fish. Back overboard. Splash! And everything wet up. Yeah, team. I'll wash up and pack up. Come, go. Wash up them and pack them up. Here. Set up the gears them. Done, man. Because all the while say that thing there, no matter where you man talk about them, go kill you. Know. Man always a dead, you know, brother. When I listen to dead news on radio, die leaving wife. Alright, so that's a total catch from 2 traps. Wait for to get a nice little catch with the rope clear.
How you want to look
It's a hammerjack. Alright, so that's the first catch for the morning. Let's go on and see what's happening somewhere else. Good. Come with us. Today rope pot catch. This is what we got when we finished drying the traps. Alright, so this is some of it.
Thirsty boy.
They want to come to
You 5,000 to buy one.
sure. What the time
Buy
a round of water, man.
Bubbles, be fish me now.
Yeah, me come back. You know, say a while ago, me think me the video, and the video.
You get extra on them, you have
Don't
if you
get
want no more. I just 2 more. When you come with you, come on, go buy 2.
How you go? You got waste today?
No, you know, I don't need that. I go back to work school.
Only part of move, man. So we not did jump with overfoot, but then another.
Alright. So this is from the second trap we took up this morning. Second trap. So we are giving a preview, not a preview, but a summary of today's activity. Because we can't video everything, you know, because we're out this morning for about 5 hours. So we don't have enough space to really accommodate that, and you're not going to watch a video for 5 hours. Give me some water first. Yeah, man. We don't have enough video space for that. So you're not going to watch so much. So what we do, we just cut up and show you at the end of the day what the catch was like, alright?
Man, you want every kind of I told you, look at what pretty boy I'm proud.
Alright, so at the end of it all, this is what it looked like. Just one trap. This is what comes out of one trap. I'm afraid of government.
Small,